Actually, this is a reality.
Okay.
People think that flipping and having a rental property, it's easy to invest. It's not.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another flip property, which is the property that you guys can see right behind me. We're gonna take a look at the property. Aman just bought this property, so I'm gonna show you how a flip project looks from the beginning. What kind of renovations is he gonna do inside? So if you like these kind of videos, stay tuned, smash that like button, and let's get inside that property.
Hello guys, this is Aman and I just bought a new flip property, so let's check it out.
Alright you guys, so now we're inside the property. Aman actually just bought this property, right Aman?
Yeah, it's been just a week.
And now we're gonna walk you through the whole property. How does the property look like when you just buy the property, and what kind of renovations is Aman thinking of doing? So you'll have a better idea when you go out there and buy your first ever flip property. Okay Aman, let's start from the living room. What are you thinking of doing over here?
As you can see, we have a hardwood floor.
Yeah.
We're gonna remove all the hardwood floor and put a new vinyl.
Okay.
That's the first thing we're gonna do. And as you can see the wall, we can put the new painting on the wall, new vent, I would say new switches.
Are we changing those doors as well?
Yeah, doors will be completely changed in the entire house. So I don't keep the old doors or windows like that. I always change my the things in the new flipping.
So as you guys know by now, and if you've seen the two most recent videos that I did with Aman, when you're doing a flip, you want to change and give the prospective buyer everything new as much as you can, right Aman?
That's true. Well, I mean, it's a flipping, it's not a rental property, so you have to think in that way so that people, they can live for longer in the new property that you're flipping.
Alright Aman, before we go and take a look at the kitchen and the two bedrooms that are inside there, what location is this property located in?
Well, this property is located in the St. James area,
Yeah.
which is close to the Polo Park, and yeah, which is the high-end area in the St. James.
Yeah.
Come on, and I'll show you the kitchen first.
Okay.
It's all messed up right now. I mean, as you can see, the stove and fridge is being sitting down.
Yeah.
This is the main kitchen right now. We will change all the countertop, the kitchen cabinets. The kitchen is on the one side, on this side, and you can see is half of the kitchen is on the one side. I think we will make a kitchen in the L shape. I think we will start from this side, from this corner. We'll go all the way down to the half of the kitchen here.
Yeah.
And we will do the flooring. As you can see, it's all the old one, and I think it's all coming out. And we will put the new flooring, which is vinyl, maybe a floor or tile.
Okay.
New lights, as you can see, which is the old one right now.
Yeah.
And
I really like these ones.
you like these ones?
Alright Aman, so in a kitchen like this, that since we just bought this property a week ago, and that's what I'm looking to share with my audience.
Sure.
How long a renovation like this is going to take in the kitchen? Like new cabinets, new paint, new appliances. How long do you think that's going to take, more or less?
It usually takes few weeks to make the kitchen cabinets. It's not that easy.
Okay.
Because the person who will make the kitchen cabinets, he already has a lot of work to do.
Okay.
So he will come down and measure the kitchen cabinets that we want.
Okay.
And how big we want it.
Okay.
That's the first thing.
Yeah.
Probably it might take a month to complete the kitchen.
Okay. So there you go guys, just to renovate this kitchen, Aman is saying that it's gonna take him about 1 month. So have that into consideration before flipping properties. Now let's go ahead and tour the rest of the house. Okay guys, for the small price of smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel, you really help me out, support this channel and reach out to more people. So if you find any value in whatever I'm telling you, make sure to do that. So now we're gonna check out the rest of the house. There are two bedrooms right over here. Before checking that out, Aman, can you let them know how many bedrooms in total, how many washrooms?
Yeah, well, in this particular property,
Yeah.
we have 3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms.
Which is 2 on the main floor and 1 is in the basement.
Okay.
And yeah, we will check the basement room later on once we will complete the top one.
All right, let's go and check out the first bedroom.
This is the first big bedroom.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty spacious, as you can see.
Yeah.
So we will do what we will do is we will change the floors, put the vinyl in.
Okay.
This is the closet, I will say. Yeah, we will change the closet, new door, new shelves inside,
Yeah.
all the casing. And it's not just the door, we will replace it. Whenever we change the door, all the casing goes brand new.
So this is the first bedroom that we're renovating. Let's go, Aman, and check out the bedroom number 2.
Sure. Yeah, this is the bedroom number 2, and before that, you can see we have one closet room kind of thing here. What we will do, we will remove all the shelves and make a brand new closet.
Okay.
Or you can say a pantry.
Okay.
For the kitchen. And this is the master bedroom of the main floor.
Yeah. With the
as you can see,
closet over there as well.
Here.
So same stuff, new doors, new casing,
doors,
everything.
New casing. We will put the cortex in this ceiling, in this room. So just this is the washroom in the main floor.
Okay.
As you can see, it's pretty old. Like I don't think they have ever done any renovation.
Yeah.
Ever since they bought it.
So I'm guessing we're putting a new vanity here, new tub, with the background tiles as well.
Yes, just we will renovate the washroom pretty brand new.
Yeah.
Brand new vanity.
Yeah.
The bathtub will be brand new.
Are we keeping these cabinets or we're getting rid of them?
I think we'll remove it. I think it's pretty old. I mean, it's a pretty old fashioned kind of thing. So this is all we're gonna do in the washroom just. So let's check out the basement now.
All right, let's go. Alright you guys, so now we're in the basement, Aman, and let's start and give them the basement tour.
Sure, see just this is the entire basement that we will renovate. Actually this is a reality.
Okay.
People think that flipping and having a rental property, it's easy to invest. It's not.
Yeah.
This is how it looks like.
Yeah.
As you can see, the walls are pretty raw.
Yeah.
They have done the insulation which is half done.
Yeah. There's no drywall. The window over there is covered.
It's broken.
Yeah.
And which I did not even take a look when I bought this property.
Yeah. Buying these kind of properties, you're inherently taking some type of risk, right, Aman?
It's a 100% risk because you never know what is the unexpected thing will come up and you have to spend more money renovating the property.
So now let's show them around. So right now there's no flooring. We just see subfloors here. So obviously on top of this, there's going to be flooring. Everything here is going to be renovated. So let's show them the first bedroom that's right over here.
Sure. So this is the one bedroom in the basement. As you can see, they have done a little bit of renovation as the new floor. I think we have right here. We'll just turn it on. Yeah, they have done flooring, and as you can see, they have one bed over here. They haven't completed anything like, as I can say, the painting or ceiling or a light or closet. It's all been like that. So we have to renovate this property.
Okay.
Yeah, so
and the ceiling height also in this particular room is also pretty good, because as you guys know, I'm 6'4", and the ceiling height over here, it must be at least 6'6", I would say.
It is. That's true. They have raised a few inches from outside. That's why it's 6.4, but it's more than that. If you will come outside, the height is pretty good. It's pretty spacious.
Alright guys, so that's the room that we just checked out. This empty space, this is where Aman is going to add another bedroom, right Aman?
Yes, yeah, we have a good amount of space that you can see over here. And we're going to add the drywall on this side to make a proper room. As you can see in this room that we're going to make, you will have 2 different windows, which is really good.
Yeah.
We're going to have lights from both sides. This window is broken. We're gonna change this one too.
Okay.
That is something you always have to take it as a risk. You never know what will come up while buying the property.
Yeah.
This is the second window. We will have extra natural sunlight from outside.
Yeah.
Usually in the room, there's only one window is given. But in this room, we will have 2.
Alright Aman, so we've checked out the room that there's already some renovations done.
Yeah.
We know that here we're adding another room.
Correct.
Any other type of upgrades that we're doing in this basement?
Yes, just I think we will cover the ceiling with a drop ceiling.
Okay.
The entire ceiling will be covered. This part will be covered by the drywall, I would say.
Yeah.
I think what is coming in my mind is that we're gonna make an entertainment room in the basement.
Yeah.
So we will give the nice stone look on the wall.
Okay.
That is a good upgrade in the basement that will give a nice look and the value to the property.
Alright, Aman, now let's go upstairs and take a look at the rest of the house.
Before going upstairs, let's take a look at the laundry room that we have that we are going to make.
I see here brand new appliances. What's the
Yeah.
story behind this?
Luckily, I mean, the fun fact is when we buy the any property, we usually get the old appliances.
Okay.
But I feel I'm very lucky to get the new appliances this time. I don't think we have to invest much.
Yeah.
But we're still gonna buy the brand new fridge and the stove and microwave for upstairs and the kitchen. These things also cost extra while doing the renovation.
Yeah.
So we're gonna save some money here this time.
Alright, you guys, so that was the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. I really want to thank Aman Puri for letting us show you guys how a real estate flipping property looks before actually doing any type of renovation. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Jess. It's always been a pleasure to do a video with you.
So also, if you guys need a mortgage advisor that knows the ins and outs of financing here in Canada, I'm going to leave Aman Puri's contact information in the description down below. So up until next time, see you guys.